In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix NetShort app not working. So if NetShort application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. Also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, there might be some bugs in the app. In that case, what you have to do is update it. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here, Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for NetShort. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for NetShort and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it. Wait for a while and the application will be updated. After you do that, the problem should be solved. But if the problem is still not solved and the application still does not work, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, launch open app library of your device, find the application for NetShort and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the app info interface. Tap on this option storage and cache. Now over here you can see two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now once the cache has been cleared, your problem should be solved. Now the application should start working. But if the app still does not work, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But sometimes there might be some glitches in the device itself. In order to fix those temporary software glitches, what you have to do is restart your device. Long press on the power button. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option restart and the device will be restarted. After that, simply use the NetShort app and it should be working. So that is how you fix NetShort application not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.